Littleton community, the North Country in general, there's a recovery epidemic going on in this community where everywhere else there's a drug epidemic. This is a solid place to sustain recovery and to truly thrive moving forward in your life. I'm Jamie D'Alessandro. I am the Regional Manager for White Mountains Recovery Homes, and I am the Family Support Coordinator for North Country Serenity Center. And ever since I've entered recovery, I've been in a mind, body, spirit mentality where I work my 12 steps, I speak to therapists, and I hit the gym, which is my church. You know, I grew up in the Lakes region. When I was getting ready to leave jail and incarceration, I did enough research with the program that I was in, which was the FIRM program out of Grafton County Jail. And I heard about Littleton and the recovery home that was being offered in this community. When I came to this community, it started out with the one recovery home and the North Country Serenity Center. And since then, it's grown into 5 homes in Littleton, 4 men, 1 women. And the North Country Serenity Center is where I work during the day.
Hey, my name's Gary. I'm an alcoholic and drug addict in recovery, long term now. Just a short backstory. I had a 20-year run, drinks and drugs, equal opportunity substance abuser. There really wasn't anything I wouldn't take as long as it wasn't a day of, clean air and clean breath and sobriety. At that point, towards the end, I was desperate. Anything to get me outside of me was really the point. I was lonely in a crowd, I was scared, and I was sick. This disease, it doesn't discriminate at all. It knows no bounds, it has no boundaries. But the wonderful thing is about the recovery communities is they also don't discriminate, and they know no boundaries when it comes to helping others. I mean, their hand was there, all I had to do was grab it and ask for help. And I found some people. I'm heavily involved in the recovery community now. I found people, and one of the fears I had was like, what the hell do these people know about me, and what the hell do they have to offer? But what I found was, groups of people scattered throughout that are into everything. Like for instance in Littleton, New Hampshire, I'm very well aware, and I have a few friends in there, and they have done a wonderful job as a community setting up entry points like the Serenity Center. They have sober houses to help people kind of gain housing, gain references. They have recovery friendly workforces, and these are systems that have proven themselves in a small area like Littleton, New Hampshire, that they work, and I know several people who were desperate, who, had hit the proverbial rock bottom and I hope it's their bottom, but they're doing well now. They have jobs, they have families, they've made friends, they're involved in community, and the most important thing is they feel good about themselves, and they're proud of themselves. It's unfortunately an anomaly what's going on in Littleton. I wish it was something that happened elsewhere, and it's a model that I think is efficient in doing things and showing that how important connection is. For myself, I can't imagine going back. I have no desire. And if you asked me 5 years ago if I thought that was the case, the answer would be no. I couldn't picture myself without it. I couldn't imagine not. It's quite the opposite now. Currently working as a licensed alcohol and drug counselor, and I'm part of committees. I'm well respected. These are things that I wasn't destined to do. Once I asked for help, the community responded, and that community is everywhere. So, that desperation is real. There are many people out there who know it. They're available, they're out there, and I implore you to reach out, ask for help, find the resources, and you'll be shocked at kind of where that can take you.